Good morning. This is Benji Malinaw. So in this video, I will walk you through to the how to install the chatbot, uh, the motivational chatbot that I have given you. I believe that's the best chatbot I've ever made. It has the ability to send inspirational and motivational quotes to your subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to walk through how to install to that. First, you need to create a Facebook account, and of course you have a Facebook account. You already have one. And then next is you have to create a Facebook pages, because chatbot works on Facebook pages. And once you created your Facebook pages, and then you go here um, in your course, in the course membership course, and then you can say, and there you can create your free account, the mini chat free account. And let's assume that you already have created a mini chat account. The creation of the account is very simple. You just need to connect this to your Facebook account, and then um, once you created your many chat account, you have to, so you can see this dashboard. So for example, I have so many Facebook account connected to ManyChat, to connected to this chatbot. So I'm going to, like, let's assume that you already created this account, this ManyChat, these Facebook pages, and you go here. So then you uh, add an add new page. So where to get a mini chat account, so you can see here in your membership. So you can say, for those who are new to chatbot, please create your free account there. And here I'm gonna show you again how I connect a account. So that's under here. If if you don't have an account, obviously, so you can see here the button called add new page. So you click on that, and then I have a few connected in this account. So you can see the IT racks. For example, this is new Facebook pages that you just created, for example, and then you just need to click next, connect. So you may need to, it's up to you what to name in your Facebook pages. So I have so many pages. uh, I have a Facebook pages under my name, because I build brand under my name. So you just have to think about the naming conventions. So now it's connected to my mini chat account, and it's connected to mini chat accounts, and you have to go there, to have to go back to your your membership area, and you have to install the templates first. Before I forgot, I almost forgot. So you have to upgrade this account into Pro. So you have to click this upgrade to Pro, or you can go here as well, settings, and then billing, and then upgrade to Pro. So I'm giving you a coupon code for 1 month. This is very cheap, $10 account per month. So but if you use the coupon code that I'm giving you, that's free 1 month account. So just click this I have a coupon. So you go back to your membership area and just copy and paste this one here, this one here, and go back to your mini chat account and click there, submit. You have successfully applied Educational Pro coupon code. That's a one-time code that I've generated for you. And then click the upgrade to Pro. You have to enter your email address. If whatever your email address is, and then you have to enter your card number and card details, so you won't get charged. um, just need to save that credit card details, because if you want to continue paying as a paying customer to ManyChat, a chatbot builder, or after 1 month or before 1 month, you can cancel this account. So the reason why I give you the One Pro account, because I want you to test the full functionality of chatbot. So this is so powerful. So I don't need to do this one now, because I already have a account connected to it. So for you, you have to do this one, do this step. So again, you won't get charged. I promise you, you won't get charged. So let's assume that you already have this one upgraded to Pro. So let's choose this one here, probably this one here. Let's assume, because it's already upgraded to Pro. Once there, so first I will disconnect my Google account there. So first, what is a Google account? Google Sheets. The Google Sheets is like a database that you can use, because the we pull the data uh, from the Google Sheets. The data is our quotes, inspirational quotes that we have saved there. So I've given you as well the free go inspirational quotes that I've given you. So you just have to follow this video here. So first, connect your if you have a Google Gmail account, you have a Google Sheets account. That's one company. So to connect your Google Sheets account, just need to follow these instructions. It's a pretty simple and obvious. So just choose your account to connect to, and then allow. So it's now connected to your account, the ManyChat, and your Google Sheets account. So you have to go back to our membership area and then install this template. So just click this one here, just click this one here, and then it's prompted you to where to install that template. So just install this one, and you have to choose the your your pages that connected to ManyChat. So it's the one that I install now. Install now, and there you go, you're already installed. So probably just go back to browser 1 and Google D, and that's it. And then you have to it's the installation is very simple. You just have to again click this install template, and it will go through this steps. And so to know where is the actual flow, motivational chatbot flow, so you press the flows, and then so I have few installed templates here, so you have to click on that templates that you just have installed motivational chatbots. And so if you again first, before we do this, if you go to your automations tab, so it's already installed the button for you as well, and including the welcome message. The welcome message is the first message that the user will see when they opens or when they subscribe to your chatbots or to your Facebook pages. So again, let's go back to your flows. Let's go back to your flows, and there, click this one here and click that one, because you still have to follow the process as well. So here I have give you the just a few instructions. So it says here, copy this Google Sheet templates. This templates is the actual inspirational quotes that I have put together for you. So steps one, you have to copy this one, put it in the browser, and then there. So because this now it's already saved on my account, on my Gmail Google Sheet account. If in your case you have to follow these steps, this one here, it says in the right corner Google Sheet dashboard, like file and make a copy. So the moment you do this one, it means make a copy. So you're going to make a copy from my account to your account, so this one. But I don't have to do this because I already have that copy. And step number 3, complete the Google Sheet actions and other steps in the flow. So alternate, follow the video instructions, so on, then you can DM me again. Assuming you already have made a copy of this one, so first I'm gonna show you the few steps. So you just have to change, you just have to modify this one. In this case, you just have to modify this one. There you have to go to that you have to go through that Google Sheets. You can see here we're gonna using this one quotes. Go back there. So if you already made a copy and you connected your Google Sheets account, you are going to see all your Google Sheets documents under here. So you can see the file name is 365 daily success codes. You can click there, and the worksheet's name is codes, and the lookup value is ID, and lookup column is ID, and lookup value is um, codes ID, and this one is refresh code. So you don't have to um, do this one here, only this one codes. That's code, it's just type codes, it will automatically good show. So click the um, codes random. So codes random, and then there, and codes random, and then that's number one, and you have to I think that's it, and this one. So you only have to change two actions. This one here, this one again, this one, the one we just made, and this one here. So same process, just have to do this one, and the worksheets is codes and ID, and this one is codes ID, and then here is codes random, then save, and then publish. Have to publish that one, and click preview. So click preview, and then you go to your messenger, and you can see there it's working now. So hello Benji, do you want me to send you everyday motivational quotes? Yes please, let's do it. See there, anything in life or having is worth working for. And then the user, for example, click the get random quotes, it's all gonna click the random quotes as well. So what happened is I don't need to explain to you right now because you get overwhelmed. I let you go to the course and complete the course, and you have to understand the course and feel motivated. So mm, feel the excitement of learning new things, of learning this new technology. So if you know this one, you'll be able to like make money out of it. So that's it. We successfully installed the templates, created an account, and connect the your Facebook pages to ManyChat account. So I think if you're still confused, just go back to this video again, or just let me know. I'm happy to help you. I'm happy to help you. So again, this is your chatbot now. This is your business pages. So if you go to your dashboard, and so how to have a subscriber, or how to drive people to this chatbot. So you have the options, because I think we already had here a topic here, so you have to go through that, or just a quick one, how to subscribe people to your chatbot so they can receive a daily inspirationals from your page. Just click this one here, not click, just copy and paste this one, whatever your links is, and send that to your friend. So the moment they click this one, they gonna show the first opt-in message to your chatbot or business pages. Again, thank you everyone, and I hope you giving you the best instructions out of this video. Thank you everyone, and see you